Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be showing a way which you can get a US number and any other number you need for your WhatsApp and Telegram with amount as less as 300, 400 naira. I mean 0.3 dollars. Yes, $0.3, you name it. So you can get a US number for like this one, as you can see here. This is this right here. You can get it. So first of all, what you need is you need to sign up in a website called 5sim right here. 5sim right here. So this is it. So you sign up. Once you sign up, you get something like this. So once you sign up, you have to buy a credit. So that's the credit that I see. It's just worth 400 to 300. Let me say 300, 400. So and also, yeah. So once you come here, this select service WhatsApp, put it on WhatsApp, and let's see. All right. So in here you choose Canada. So as you can see, the server available, there are server for 38 points and 20 points in this Canada. So now what we do is we check how much is 38 points. Now let's go to top up. I always use crypto for my deposit. So you can use, as you can see, there are a lot of ways. Let me use this. There is a lot of a bank transfer. These are the other bank, this pay and other card payment. So but I always use crypto. So let me go with the drive. All right, so now 38 point and 20 points. So let's check 38 points. 38 points. 38 points, as you can see, is just 0.3, approximately $0.4. And why 20 points is just 20 points? 20 points is just $0.2. So as you can see, it's just too cheap for it. So now let's go and purchase one US number so you confirm it. What you do is you come down here, let's go back to the home. Then here we're already in, so we click on the 38 points. We're buying for the 38 point. As you can see, it's already purchased. So let's wait for it to load. So this is the number. Now you copy, but what I do is I copy it, then I open a WhatsApp. Let's open this. I open WhatsApp right here, then paste, then I click on it to check if the number is available on WhatsApp. So you see this number is not on WhatsApp. So now I can go and copy the number, chat here, then continue. All right, so I click on continue. All right, yes, and the code is already there. So as you can see, this is the code. So I copy and paste it here. So this is it. As you can see, we have successfully getting a US WhatsApp number with just something less than 400 naira. Why paying 1k, 2k, 5k just for US number when you can get it this less? So let's just continue. Yeah, let's go with the continue, and continue. All right, continue. All right, so this is it. As you can also, if I click on it, let me check here. All right, this, as you can see right now, this is this is this is the WhatsApp we just created newly and working. So we just at least as 400 naira, which you can just get. No need of paying, looking for $2, $3 to get just this, when you can get it at this. So if you have any opinion or just have any issue, you can message or comment below. I will surely reply you.